Hello there, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Sock of the Month Club for the month of May. Now, if you are a subscriber, you will have received your iconic red box by now. If you are not, well, I think we still have some boxes left available, at least at the time I'm recording this, so you can check it out on our website and see if we do and still purchase one, or you can still sign up for a subscription, and you can start in the month of June. So let's see what is in May's box. And of course, we always start with a riddle or a question or something like that. And this time it says, why was the flower such a big fan of cycling? Because she heard that bikes have pedals. Cute, cute, cute. And she hopes to race in the Tour de France. Very nice. Okay, so that's going to put a little smile on your face. Then, of course, we have tissue to keep everything from shifting while we are sending it to you. And this month, you get something healthy. Smart food. Yep. While you are checking out your pattern and looking at things, you are going to have a little bit of popcorn. Yum, yum. And then, ooh, let's see what this is. Here's a cute little box, or a cute little wrap-up of something, and it feels heavy. Okay. I'm gonna have to tear it. I hate tearing it, but you know, sort of like Christmas, I guess. Let's tear it. Let's see what it is. Let's open it up. And it is a cute little llama plate. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? And I think that would be perfect to hold some little trinkets in, or stitch markers, tapestry needles, all different kinds of little things like that. Or I suppose you could serve yourself a little scoop of ice cream in there or something. Cute, very, very cute. So there's your little extra goodie. And then there's this, and this is usually our sock yarn. So let's get it open. That's the most important part, is what do we have this month? And this month we have, dun, 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 we have boots from Shuffle. So boots are, boots have a lot of different fibers in them. I think it's like predominantly though wool and cotton, but you know what? I actually have to look this one up. It's 45% wool, 42% cotton, and then the rest of it is going to be the not the elastic, but the nylon for strength. So it is perfect for summer. You've got your wool and cotton blend in this color right here, and let's see what it looks like knitted. I actually have the socks here. I always try to come prepared, and these are your socks. Are those not cute? Look at, they have a really nice little detailed pattern there on the cuff. You can see how the color changes throughout with the boots. Very, very nice. And it feels so nice. I love this cotton wool blend. It's such a nice blend for socks. Anyways, that is what you have in your box. Of course, you're going to get your pattern in the box. There is a pattern. Yep, here's the pattern. There's your pattern. And then for those of you who have a Ravelry account, you're also going to get a download so you can put it in your Ravelry library. And I think I just showed you the download code, so I guess we'll probably have somebody using that at some point. Anyways, that is what is in your box this month for the Sock of the Month Club. And like I said, we have a few more boxes available if you'd like to purchase one. Also, if you'd like to subscribe, you can do so and get your first box in the month of June. And at any time, if you don't feel like it's something that's working for you, you can cancel it as well. We thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, week. I guess I'll see you again next month when I do another unboxing. And in the meantime, stay safe. Ciao.